If you're considering the Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster for your Pixel 7, you've probably heard it's the easiest screen protector to install. But here's what surprised me. While it promises an auto-alignment installation kit and 9H hardness, there's more beneath the surface you need to know before spending your money. Most reviews rave about the clarity and fingerprint resistance, but I found some hidden problems that could ruin your experience. In this review, I'll reveal why despite its cool features, the Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster might not be the perfect solution for your phone. So stick around if you want to avoid a facepalm moment with your Pixel 7. Let me walk you through the good, the bad, and the why you should think twice moments. First off, who is this screen protector really for? If you're a Pixel 7 owner who wants a hassle-free, bubble-free application while keeping the original screen brightness and clarity, this might seem like the obvious choice. You care about a screen that looks great, feels smooth, and stays safe from everyday wear and tear. But if you're someone who's super picky about flawless fit or often uses heavier-duty cases, keep watching, because some compatibility issues could be a deal-breaker. Let's dive in deeper. The Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster comes in a pack of 2 protectors priced around $16.99, a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. But the biggest selling point is that clever auto-alignment installation kit, which is supposed to make applying the glass painless, even for non-experts. It's almost like training wheels for screen protectors, guiding you to align perfectly on the first try, no misplacements, no frustrating realignments. That's a win considering how many of us have messed up applying these things in the past. However, here's where things start to falter. The tempered glass itself boasts a 9H hardness rating, meaning it should stand up well to scratches from keys, coins, and oddly aggressive pets. Plus, it has an oliphobic coating to resist fingerprints, which is a huge plus because no one wants a greasy screen. The clarity is also exceptional, preserving the Pixel 7a's original display brightness and color vibrancy. Honestly, here's a joke. If only the protector could erase my ex's texts as easily as fingerprints. But jokes aside, these specs sound promising on paper and initial impressions. But the installation, while innovative, is not foolproof. Some users report that the adhesive on the edges can be finicky, sometimes lifting after a few days, almost like your phone is saying it doesn't want this clingy protector. And for those of us using bulkier or third-party cases, compatibility is a mixed bag. This protector's case compatibility is designed around Spigen's own Pixel 7 cases, which means if you've got another brand or thicker cases, the protector can crack or lift prematurely. Therefore, if you're someone who switches between cases or prefers ultra-protective rugged styles, this might not be the best fit. Now, I want to rewind a bit to talk about the alignment kit again, because this is where Spigen shines. The process is straightforward. Magnetized trays hold your phone in place while you drop the glass right on top, aligning it without guesswork. For those scared of bubbles, this method almost eradicates the issue, unless dust sneaks in which case you might as well start the walkthrough again. It's like baking a cake with a perfectly measured recipe. Great if everything's clean, but one stray crumb and it's a total mess. That said, even with this kit, some users have reported the glass isn't edge-to-edge on the Pixel 7, leaving small gaps that don't feel secure. It's comparable to wearing a jacket that fits everywhere except the sleeves, awkward and slightly irritating. This leads to potential dirt and dust accumulation under the edges, reducing the lifespan of protection. So here's a pro tip. Use the included alcohol wipes liberally and apply in a dust-free environment. Your future self and your future screen will thank you. Let's pause a moment. Does all this sound like a deal breaker? Not entirely. The Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster shines for everyday users focused on ease of use, decent protection, and preserving screen feel. It's not a tank, but it's the friendly neighborhood watch for your screen, not the heavy security guard who scares everyone off. It's also priced reasonably, especially coming with two protectors so you're covered for a replacement or upgrade down the line. Here's a quick twist. I found that the glass's fingerprint resistance, while good, isn't perfect. After a few days of use, some oily smudges did build up in spots, requiring more frequent wiping than I expected. It's like my phone wants extra attention, kind of like a needy pet that's cute but demands constant care. So if low-maintenance cleaning is key for you, this is something to consider. And for those who prioritize touch sensitivity, the Spigen protector scores well. The screen remains responsive and gestures feel natural, which is crucial for the Pixel 7a's smooth user interface. Some thicker protectors dull this experience, but not here. It's like wearing gloves that fit just right, not too bulky but keeping you warm enough. Now, humor me for a second. Why don't screen protectors ever star in movies? Because they always crack under pressure. Speaking of cracking, while this GlasTR is durable, dropping your Pixel 7 with the protector isn't a guarantee against cracks. It's a shield, not a superhero cape. So if you're notoriously clumsy or accident-prone, consider pairing it with a robust case or upgrading to a protector designed with extra drop resistance. Another thing I noticed is the oliphobic coating's longevity. After a few weeks of daily use, that slick fingerprint resistance can wear thin, making the glass feel a bit stickier. This isn't unusual for most tempered glass protectors, but worth noting so you're not disappointed after month 2 or 3. Replacement might be necessary sooner than expected if you want to maintain that pristine look. Okay, before I wrap up, let's talk about price versus value. At $16.99 for two protectors, this isn't breaking the bank, and the inclusion of the installation kit adds value. But remember, price can fluctuate fast on Amazon, so if you want the best deal, check the link in the description now. Waiting could mean paying more or missing out on stock. And given some of the issues we've discussed, consider your usage style. If you handle your phone carefully and prefer a clean install over ultra-heavy-duty protection, this could be your win. Here's the final punchline for you. Why was the screen protector always calm? Because it knew how to handle pressure. So, if you want a screen protector that balances ease of application, decent protection, and clarity, the Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster ticks a lot of boxes. But if edge-to-edge adhesion, maximum durability, and long-term oliphobic resilience top your list, you might want to explore other options or pair this with a strong case. In conclusion, the Spigen GlasTR AlignMaster is a solid choice for most Pixel 7a users, especially those who want a quick, bubble-free installation and original screen clarity without paying premium prices. Just be mindful of the adhesive edges and case compatibility issues to avoid any surprises. It's not perfect, but it certainly delivers value with its innovative alignment tray and reasonable pricing. So, if you want to protect that beautiful Pixel 7a screen without hassle, it's worth a shot. Just follow the installation steps carefully and keep in mind the limitations. For the best current price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description below, because prices change fast and you don't want to miss out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech insights. Protect your phone smartly, because cracked screens are so last season.